We're going to move on now to the second statistics chapter. Okay, so this is all about averages and variability. So averages we've spoken about last year. So you're talking about the mean, which is your typical average. Okay, if I add up all my test results and divide by the number of tests, that's how I get my mean. Okay, the mode is the one that occurs the most, and then you've the median. Median sounds like medium, think of the middle. Okay, so we'll start with mode first. Okay, mode is the value that occurs the most. Okay, the number that comes up the most. So for example, if I have a list of numbers, three, 7, 4, 3, 5, 6 and 2, you're trying to find the number that comes up the most. Now it's quite easy to see when I only have this amount of numbers, but if I had a much bigger amount of numbers, what you'd do is you'd put them in order. Okay, so we'd have 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then it's very easy to see that the mode is 3. Okay, so that's how you get the mode. You're just looking for the value that comes up the most. It doesn't have to be a number. If we're talking about how you get to school and it's car, bus, train, if car comes up the most, that's your mode. Okay, now we're going to do median as well today. So median is the middle number. Now it's very important that it's the middle number in a list of ordered numbers. They have to be in order. Okay, so for example, if I'm talking about the ages of teachers, so here's my list. Okay, these are my teachers' ages. What I have to do is I need to put them in order. Okay, same thing as mode, but it's in mode you can do it without putting it in order, but in median you cannot. You cannot just take the middle number. Okay, they have to be in order first. So 22, 24, 30, 33, 37, 45 and 46. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now to get the median, what you do is you cross off one from the beginning, one from the end. Okay, beginning, end, beginning, end, beginning, end, and I'm left with the middle. So my median here is 33. So the middle age is 33 of teachers. Okay, let me just do another example of that. In this scenario, I'm going to actually order them for us, just to make life a little bit easier. Okay, so here's my list. It's in order. Okay, I'm going to start knocking off from the beginning and the end. Beginning, end, beginning, end. And what happens is I'm left with 2. Okay, when you're left with 2, you just get the average of the 2. So you're going to add 5 and 6 and divide your answer by 2. Okay, so that gives you 5.5. That's how you get the median. So it all depends on whether you have an odd number or an even number of numbers. Okay, in this case I had an even number, so I'm going to have to do this where I divide by 2. Okay, so add the 2 numbers that are left and divide by 2.